वॉइस ऑफ लीडरशिप पॉडकास्ट में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you so much.
English is a foundation for communication. What do you think makes Hello English and My Green Book of English stand out from other English books?
These books are actually very much helpful for the students to improve their communication skill.
How do you handle high pressure board exam years for both teachers and your students?
Counseling and only counseling.
If you could make one rule that all students must follow forever, what it would be?
Imagine and implement.
If someone made a TV series on school life, which actor would play you?
I think it should be Amir Khan.
Welcome to the Voice of Leadership podcast, presented by Orange House. In every bustling school corridor, there is a quiet force shaping young minds and building future. Behind that force is a leader, a mentor, a dreamer, someone who doesn't just run a school but crafts and ecosystem for excellence. Today, we meet one of such remarkable educator, principal of Sri Ram Senior Secondary School, Madam Manju Srivastav ji. So, without taking much time, let's get started. Voice of Leadership podcast में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you so much.
How has your leadership style evolved from being a teacher to becoming a principal?
I have developed my visionary quality when I became a principal. When I was a teacher, my focus used to be with the students to whom I taught, not the entire institution. Now, when I became a principal, my concern changed from a particular class to the entire institution, from nursery to grade 12th. Yeah.
That's great. What qualities do you look for when you are hiring the teachers?
See, when we hire a teacher, the first and foremost quality I search for is the subject knowledge, expertise in that particular subject. As you know very well, that without that deep knowledge of the subject,
Yes.
the teacher will not be able to deliver his concepts clearly to the students.
Yes, of course.
So it is the quality, and of course, the other quality is the communication style and confidence. Without being confident, a person can't be of that particular expression that the student can be attracted towards him.
Yes, of course.
In order to make the students very much attentive, the teacher has to be very much confident and he should be able to deliver what he knows to the students.
So, my next question is, how do you ensure a balance between academic excellence and holistic development in your school?
Yeah, in my school, as I think that the holistic development and academic excellence both are the most important thing to be maintained. So it is very important to maintain balance between the two. For this, of course, the strategy and the proper planning and execution of those plannings are the
Yes.
most important thing. Suppose we make lots and lots of planning, but they are not executed, so then that will be
it's
of
waste.
no use.
Yes.
So execution is the most important thing, I think so.
How do you prepare students to be global citizens?
I always teach my students that this is the era when one can't be confined to a particular area or particular country or particular state.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. So I always teach the students that they should always be intact with the global information. They will have to be global information, and apart from this, the interdisciplinary things and the things that they should be interactive with the other students of other countries. It is the most important thing that they should be in touch with the other country students.
Yes.
And for those different projects, they can do the projects unitedly so that they can come to know about their culture, and those students of the other countries may come to know about our culture.
Yes, absolutely. So, my next question is, You have worked with schools affiliated with both CBSE and state
Yeah,
boards.
yeah.
What differences do you see?
See, in the schools of a state board,
Yes.
the focus used to be on a particular kind of theoretical part and not about the overall development and
Personality development.
yeah,
kind of
personality
things.
development and all.
Yes, okay.
Only theoretical part is being focused in a state board
State
schools.
board schools,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. And with CBSE, skill development and experiential learning and so on, there are so many things. New education policy includes these things, and with these things the overall development of the child is focused, and stage fear
Okay.
is being shunned out. It is the most important thing.
Confidence.
Yeah, confidence building.
Public speaking.
Yeah, proper speaking and everything is being developed in the schools of CBSE. It is lacking in the state board
State
school.
board schools.
Yeah.
Okay. So that means there is a vast difference.
Vast difference. There is a vast difference between the two, and as far as I think, since I have worked with both kind of schools, the parents should opt for CBSE only
Okay.
instead of state
State
boards.
boards.
Yeah,
So how do you stay updated with educational trends and policies?
definitely it's the social media, it's the workshops that I attend on various topics. Workshops are very useful for enhancing the knowledge as well as enhancing the changes being done in the field of education. Apart from this, definitely newsletters and all these things are very helpful.
Nowadays,
for us.
CPD and everything is going
Yeah,
on
yeah,
in every
yeah.
school, and
Yeah.
50 hours we have to cover.
TOT
Every teacher-
and everything.
Yes, yes.
TOTs are very.
So your school teachers are also part of this.
Yeah. Very recently, we have organized this workshop for the teachers on class management, and there are different topics, and especially the subject topics also, physics workshop, chemistry workshops, and all these things. So that the personalized trainings make the teachers very much confident.
Yes, of course. So one thing that makes you instantly happy.
The performance of the students.
Being a great
Definitely,
principal, of course.
yeah, definitely. If from anywhere I come to know that yes, my this child has done this achievement, definitely it makes me happy. Even the smaller kids, the nursery kids and all, when they recite a poem, I become very happy because it's very, it's the kind of thing exactly that the senior student gets selected in IIT and all.
Yes.
It's the same achievement for those kids.
And what about players, sports teams,
Yeah,
when they win?
Yeah, it makes me very much proud that the students are making achievements in the field of sports also. That's great for me.
English is a foundation for communication. What do you think makes Hello English and My Green Book of English stand out from other English books?
These books are actually very much helpful for the students to improve their communication skill.
Okay.
I have gone through these books, and certainly these books are very much different from other books, since other books don't emphasize on the very elementary things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Elementary things.
Yeah, very
That's right.
elementary things that are very necessary.
Means depth.
Yeah, depth is very much explained in these books in detail, and that are the very first steps for the learners to learn the communication skill. So I would recommend that most of the students who wish to improve their communicative skill must study these books thoroughly.
How do these books help students build strong language skills beyond just grammar and vocabulary?
Yeah, see, communicative skill can be enhanced only and only if the child is able to imagine properly. And that imagination,
Not just the translation.
Yeah. Imagination, and the child, if the child imagines in English only,
Yes.
that will be the best thing to enhance the communicative skill. And for that,
So these books are
yeah,
apt for.
these books are very much helpful for developing the imagination of the child is strong.
That's great. How do you handle high pressure board exam years for both teachers and your students?
Counseling, and only counseling.
Obviously.
The students are being counseled. I myself personally counsel the students
Okay.
in group also, or if I observe that a particular child is under pressure, so personal single counseling is also given to particular child,
Okay.
and
So means individually you
yeah,
also
individual
counsel. That's
also and group.
absolutely great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
group
Wonderful,
also,
ma'am.
and the same with the teachers also. Sometimes I observe that a particular teacher is very much concerned about particular class. You can say that there are some classes who are not up to that standard, so that teacher feel pressure. So I counsel the teacher also, and I say it's not the end of the life.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
not the end of the
It
in
is
case.
just a small
Yeah,
part.
yeah, it is the first step actually, and maybe you make your efforts best. If the results are good, that's very good, and if in case not up to the mark, there is no need to worry. You have made your efforts to the full, and rest depends upon the mercy of God also. Yeah.
अभी तक तो सुना था कि टीचर्स काउंसलर बट आज मैं देख रही हूँ कि प्रिंसिपल इज ऑल्सो अ काउंसलर
Thank you
दैट्स
so
ग्रेट
much. Actually, I think that principal should be the counselor.
यस
It's it's for students also. It's for teachers also. Even it's for support staff also. Support staff also needs counseling from
Yes,
time to
yes,
time,
yes, of
and
course.
I think it's only the principal who can do these things.
Yes, consoling and counseling.
Yeah.
So, ever wanted to switch places with a student for one day?
Yes. In order to release the burden of the studies,
Okay.
I want the students and me should enjoy somewhere, so that that burden can be released and the bond may be strengthened.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
So, if your life were a Bollywood movie, what would it be called?
It would be definitely called the learning sessions.
Oh,
Yeah.
learning sessions
Learning
means that you are a chief learning officer almost.
Yeah.
If you could make one rule that all students must follow forever, what it would be?
Imagine and implement.
Imagine and
And
implement.
implement.
That should be the rule.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your imagination must be implemented. Not only the imagination, if it is not implemented, it will be waste.
Okay.
So imagine and implement.
It's quite different.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I have heard कि ये सिखाना चाहिए, वो
Discipline
सिखाना
सिखा दो,
चाहिए,
ये
ये
सिखा
वाला
दो.
रूल होना चाहिए,
No.
अनुशासन होना चाहिए.
नहीं. देखिए, imagination, if it is implemented,
Yes.
will certainly lead to discipline.
Obviously, yes. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Tea. And how many cups a day during exam session?
8 to 10.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
8 to 10.
8 to 10.
Oh my God. What's your guilty pleasure? Binge watching, chocolates, or a nap during staff meetings?
Chocolate.
If someone made a TV series on school life, which actor would play you?
I think it should be Amir Khan.
Amir Khan.
Yeah.
Great choice.
Yeah.
Because he understands the
Yeah.
mentality
Yes.
of student and teacher.
He can do the role in depth actually.
Yes.
He understands and he is involved in the character. And I want any person who can personate me must be involved
So
in my character.
being a man, he has to play a role of a woman.
A woman, yeah.
If you were stranded on a desert island, which 3 things would you take with you?
My laptop first
Oh.
and most important thing.
Oh.
My laptop, my music system,
Okay.
so that I can entertain myself also, and definitely some books.
Okay. Means you will utilize your time
Yeah.
again in learning.
Learning.
What's the one English word that your students always mispronounce?
mispronounce itself.
What do they speak?
They actually, most of the students I have seen, they can't speak it fluently.
Mispronounce.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they mispronounce.
Yeah, the same word.
Favorite snack?
Poha.
Poha.
Yeah.
Night owl or early bird?
Night owl.
Sari or suit?
Sorry.
Favorite poet?
Robert Frost.
Favorite poetry lines?
The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before
Before
I
I
sleep.
sleep.
Miles to go before I sleep.
Shakespeare or Arkin
Shakespeare.
Shakespeare. Can you tell us about your involvement with the British Council accreditation team?
Yeah, I have actually worked a lot when I was with Bal Bharti Manesar.
Okay.
And I individually did the whole task of accreditation and got that accreditation.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you encourage creativity and expression among students?
I always teach my students that these two things are interrelated and these two things are most important in order to release the burden of life. If you are creative, you yourself can be able to minimize your stress. So, every child must develop this habit, and it can be developed by practicing these things, being creative, and being executing this creativity into writing skill, so that the child can be involved, engaged in these things, and he can be a very good person in future.
So practice makes the man
Yeah,
perfect.
practice makes a man perfect.
Right. What measures do you take to ensure student safety and well-being?
Yeah. Every safety thing is being checked, rechecked from time to time. The team is being ordered for these things. Apart from these, the emotional safety is the most important thing as far as I know.
Means you want to protect your students from trauma.
Yeah.
Like,
Emotional
yes.
security is the most
Most
important thing.
important, yes.
So counseling, and only counseling.
Means support, and
Support,
support.
yeah.
What do you think of online book writing platforms like Bookalooza for young children?
It's a boon for the young children.
That's great. It's a boon.
Yeah, it's a boon for the young children, since you know very well that these days students don't want to write actually. And when this platform provides them the opportunity to use these fingers,
Fingers to
yeah,
type.
to type, and children like typing actually, and they enjoy. So I think it's a boon, and every parent
And
must
all
encourage.
templates are there, grammar
Yeah.
correction is there,
Yeah, so
and spelling correction
they are
is there.
not so much worried that whether they are writing correct or not. Things are being done automatically, na?
Yes.
So I would
Because now is the era of AI.
yeah.
So I think it is also abled with AI.
Yeah, it's able with, and every parent must encourage the children to use these platform
Like
for-
Bookalooza.
Yeah, Bookalooza, and every kind of thing that makes the children creative,
Creative and engaged in the right
engaged,
thing.
engaged in positive manner,
Positive thing.
not in
right.
destructive manner. Na?
What would your biography be titled if written by your students?
My biography
Yes.
by the
And
student.
written by the student.
By the
Yes.
student.
If.
Yeah, it must be titled Heart of Institution.
Heart of,
Of
institution.
I think so.
Heart of institution. It's quite touching. One word for this podcast.
Extremely executive. It gives us a chance to feel free to converse and express our feelings. So it's really a wonderful thing.
Manchu ma'am, can you please let me know, apart from teaching, आपके और क्या-क्या शौक हैं?
Listening to music, and that too very light music,
Okay.
yeah, gives me energy.
Okay.
Whenever I am free, I would like to listen to the music, and I would like to be evolved in that music. And apart from listening to music,
हाँ.
I used to write poems.
Ma'am, can you please recite few lines?
Yeah, certainly I will. Can I tell you some Hindi poems?
Please,
Yeah.
please.
तुम्ही से जीवन दान मिला है, जगती को वरदान मिला है. तुम्ही से जीवन दान मिला है, जगती को वरदान मिला है. सिर झुक जाए चरण में जिसके, तुमको वो सम्मान मिला है.
क्या
अगर
बात
न
है.
होती तुम वसुधा पर, अगर न होती तुम वसुधा पर, मानव का अभ्युदय न होता. मानव का अभ्युदय न होता. सूना ही सूना जग रहता, कहीं वसंत विहार न होता. चिंतित मन को जल के तट पर प्यार तेरा जलयान मिला है. तुम्ही से जीवन दान मिला है, जगती को वरदान मिला है.
It's too wonderful, too good, ma'am. Ma'am, I think this is dedicated to mother.
Yeah. Mother and actually the entire
Mother nature also.
yeah, Mother Nature also.
So I think you believe in sustainable development goals also. That is why you have written such a beautiful poem.
Yeah, actually, unless and until we are involved in these sustainable developments, we cannot protect the Mother Earth.
Yes.
And you know very well,
Yes.
without protecting Mother Earth, no one can survive.
Exactly.
Our existence will be in danger.
Yes.
And we should teach every person.
Yes.
And in my school also, I teach my students to do the same. And my children are doing.
Okay.
My children are doing.
So in your school, you are providing such kind of trainings,
Yeah.
hands-on trainings and all.
Yeah.
Okay.
We provide. And moreover, our senior students visit the nearby places to educate the people also.
Community.
Yeah.
Yes. That's really good initiative.
They are doing actually, and they have proved that they are actually worth of doing these.
So any particular sustainable goal on which your school is working? Just one or two if you can.
Yeah, in nearby area, we have seen that there were people who were not very much aware of protecting the environment. So my students performed their seminars also. They educated them through Nukkad Natak also.
Oh.
Yeah.
अच्छा नुक्कड़ नाटक
Yeah.
नुक्कड़ नाटक तो मुझे लगता है कि सबसे अच्छी एक विधा है
जी.
जिसके द्वारा हम कम्युनिटीज को,
नुक्कड़
सोसाइटीज
नाटक
को
एक्चुअली हर वर्ग के लोगों को अट्रैक्ट कर सकता है, वेदर दे आर एजुकेटेड और अनएजुकेटेड. नुक्कड़ नाटक इज द
Yes.
थिंग. और मेरे आसपास जो रूरल बेल्ट है, पर्टिकुलरली माय
Okay.
चिल्ड्रन आर डूइंग देयर
ओके फॉर रूरल बेल्ट.
फॉर रूरल बेल्ट. दे गो देयर और नुक्कड़ नाटक करके सबको असेंबल करते हैं और फिर उनको एजुकेट करते हैं इस बारे में और फॉलो अप भी लेते हैं.
फॉलो अप लेना
हाँ,
जो
दैट
है,
इज द
that is
मोस्ट
most
इम्पोर्टेंट
important
थिंग.
thing, yes.
मेरे बच्चे जाकर के कुछ टाइम के बाद जाकर फॉलो अप भी करते हैं और उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा काम किया है प्लांटेशन में.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी. जाकर के लोगों को बताते हैं कि ये प्लांट्स आप लगाएं, मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स हो गए और इस तरह के प्लांट्स, और उनको प्रोटेक्ट करें.
ये नहीं सिर्फ लगा दें और पानी देना
लगा
भूल
दें.
जाएं.
और एक दिन मान लीजिए ड्राइव चलाई, प्लांटेशन ड्राइव चलाई और उसके बाद वो सूख गए.
मींस they are working for their survival also.
यस. वो जाते हैं और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया कि हर पेड़ के साथ उनका नेम प्लेट लगा दिया. जिन्होंने लगाया उनका नेम प्लेट लगाया, उनको ऑनर किया और उसके साथ साथ फिर उनको कहा कि इन ट्रीज को आप प्रोटेक्ट करें ताकि ये बड़े होकर आप जैसे बहुत सारे लोगों को प्रोटेक्ट कर पाए. तो इस तरीके की चीजें हमारे बच्चे समाज के लिए कर रहे हैं और मुझे बहुत गर्व है कि मेरे बच्चे इस तरह का काम कर पा रहे हैं जो समाज के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. एक और बात, एक और बात जो हमारे बच्चे कर रहे हैं, स्लम एरिया में स्लम ड्वेलर्स को एजुकेट करने का काम. स्लम ड्वेलर्स जो हैं
अच्छा।
हाँ, उनके बच्चे जो हैं जो नहीं
ओके,
पढ़ते कहीं,
ओके, ओके।
उनको इवनिंग में एजुकेट करने का काम हमारे बच्चे करते हैं।
अच्छा।
हाँ, 9th क्लास और 11th क्लास स्पेशली इस काम के लिए हमने लगाई हुई है,
ओके।
सिंस वी कांट डिस्टर्ब द बोर्ड स्टूडेंट्स.
हाँ, हाँ,
So 9th and 11th students go every evening from 4 to 6.
And I think then you and your school students
Yeah.
are boon for the
Thank you
society.
so much. Thank you so much. Actually, this is the thing I have developed in my students,
Wow.
that they should not be so selfish that they are gaining education and it is not being disbursed.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
Disbursement is also important.
Yes, that is important.
And that should be among those who are not able to get education
हाँ,
in the lack of money, you can say,
हाँ.
or in the lack of awareness, you can say.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
तो इस तरीके से children are doing very well, and really it gives me immense pleasure.
And satisfaction.
Yeah,
also.
satisfaction also,
Yeah.
that I have trained these students in this manner.
एंड नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी का भी हमारा जो अगर हम अंतिम चरण देखें
जी जी जी, बिल्कुल
तो
बिल्कुल.
प्रसार अदिति
हाँ,
जो पंचपदी है
बिल्कुल
वो
बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल
यही है.
प्रसार पे आके
प्रसार
रुकती
पे
है.
रुकती है, और प्रसार यही है.
हाँ,
प्रसार का जो रियल मीनिंग है
हाँ.
वो यही है.
हाँ.
प्रसार उन लोगों के बीच में ना हो जो एबल है.
एबल है.
जो एबल नहीं है या जिनको अवेयरनेस नहीं है, प्रसार वहाँ हो.
बिल्कुल 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 जिन्हें जरूरत है.
जिन्हें जरूरत है.
आप और मैं प्रसार के
हाँ.
नहीं है, हमें तो प्रसार करना है
करना
और
है.
इस लायक हमें बच्चों को बनाना
बच्चों
है
को
कि वो
बनाना है.
प्रसार
देखिए, हम तो अपना
जो
काम
सीखा है.
कर रहे हैं, जो
जी,
सोशल
बिल्कुल.
अवेयरनेस हम कर
जी.
सकते हैं,
हम्म,
अगर बच्चा कनेक्ट हो सके
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो ये सोसाइटी के लिए एक बोन होगा. और इसी तरह से अगर हर इंस्टीट्यूशन कुछ बच्चे तैयार कर दे, एक आर्मी तैयार हो जाए, एक ब्रिगेड तैयार हो जाए, तो जो अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड बच्चे हैं उनके लिए कुछ अच्छा काम हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
ये होना
तो जो
चाहिए.
एक पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय जी का एक शब्द है अंत्योदय,
ये अंत्योदय,
है ना?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
तो
अंत्योदय.
अंत्योदय तक आपका स्कूल पहुंचने की
कोशिश कर रहा है.
जी.
देखिए, परफेक्शन तो कहीं नहीं होती.
जी.
हाँ, लेकिन एफर्ट्स किए जाएं, और मेरा हमेशा मानना है एफर्ट्स सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हैं, और प्लानिंग तो जब तक एग्जीक्यूट ना हो तब तक तो यूजलेस.
Obvious.
हम पेपर पे बहुत कुछ प्लान आउट कर लें
Yes.
तो दैट इज ऑफ नो यूज.
बंद कमरों में बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स हो
बहुत
जाती
सारी
हैं लेकिन
meetings होती हैं.
एग्जीक्यूशन एंड आई थिंक
Execution.
योर स्कूल इज एन एग्जांपल दे आर एग्जीक्यूटिंग दिस
we are
कम्युनिटी.
trying.
यस,
Actually, we are trying.
यस.
Along with this, our female staff
ओके
is trying to teach the ladies
ओके.
about what they can do for their kids. थोड़ा सा ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि अगर मदर्स को हम एजुकेट कर दें, if mothers are educated properly, the entire family will be educated.
Obviously.
So we are trying to make this effort also. And I salute my female staff. They spare time on Saturdays.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you inspire them?
Yeah. They spare time on Saturdays. They come to school, though we are off on Saturdays. Every Saturday we are off.
Okay.
They come for 2 hours
Huh.
and they visit the nearby rural belt where the ladies need to be educated.
Okay.
And they go there, they educate. And sometimes we also visit for some kind of plays and all. बच्चों को लेकर के थोड़ा सा कुछ इस तरह से एजुकेटिव प्ले करा दिया, उनकी भाषा में हो, उनको समझ में आने लायक हो, इस तरह की चीज़ें. तो सोसाइटी के लिए काम बच्चे कर पाएँ, हम लोग कर पाएँ, तो थोड़ा सा एक एफर्ट ये होगा कि समाज के लिए हम कुछ कर रहे हैं. अब सी, इन स्कूल व्हाट वी डू, वी आर बीइंग पेड फॉर दैट.
Yes.
And for society, what we do,
We are-
that gives us only and only satisfaction. That is the most important.
Yes. 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 Too good, ma'am. It's like I feel like I'm talking to you. I'm also feeling proud with
you
such
so
a
much.
personality. I'm talking.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's time to wrap up this episode now. From classrooms to corridors, her presence echoes in every success story her school produces. Principal Manju Srivastav is more than an educator. She is a torchbearer of change, compassion, and conviction. Thank you for joining us today, and to all our viewers. Do subscribe to our channel, Voice of Leadership, and thank you for watching this episode. Bye bye.